I just put on some sunscreen because, you know, gotta protect my skin. I have no idea where my tripod is. I do not know where I put it. I am constantly losing my stuff. If my head wasn't attached, I'd lose it too. I do want to go, I need to find a beauty blender. So I think I'm gonna hit up Marshall's, which is great because it is right next to, where is it right next to Target, which is where I'm going to head first. So I've been using these cosmetic wedges. Y'all remember this stuff from like way back when? Yeah, I don't know. I feel like it soaks up the makeup versus like evenly distributes it. What am I doing? What am I doing? I got a brush. I got a brush. I can just tap it in. And I really only conceal like my red spots. So like my cheeks. Should I do the T-zone-ish? No, I need to do the T-zone area. And then do this right quick. I know my kids are like, hurry up, we gotta go outside. And I will take them in a minute. Maybe I should just put a little bit of concealer on my forehead. Doop, doop, doop. Just around my eyebrows. Okay. And I'm gonna use my favorite Pure Minerals foundation, everyday wear. Thank you very much. And this I actually put like all over my face, my neck. A little more on my cheeks. Forehead. Ooh, got a little makeup on my forehead there. And then I'm going to put some bronzer on to give my face some color and feel fabulous. Honey, I hear you. I don't know if you can hear it on camera, but Toby is growling at me for some attention. Homeboy wants to go outside. And I hear him. And I'm gonna take him in just a moment. You ever catch yourself doing that? Like, you'll just be singing and you're just singing just to sing. I do that. Now, I cannot sing, nor do I feel confident in my singing, but I do it because who's gonna tell me I can't sing? Like, like, I know I can't sing, but who's gonna, I should not sing, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's just me home by myself. And, well, me and my doggies are home. Hit the apples of my cheeks, hit the apples of my cheeks. I like this because it's kind of like a highlighter and blush, you know? Y'all see that? So, that's it. Beautiful. I don't know. And it's a no-name brand that I just found from, where did I find this from? Marshall's. Dude, I wish there was a TJ Maxx closer to where I lived. Okay. Lift it up a little bit. Lift it up a little bit. And I'm done for the most part. You know? Like, this is as good as it's gonna get. Should I do something with my hair? You know, I should at least brush my hair. Ah, jeez, ah. Ah, shit. Damn. Fun fact, I do not brush my hair every single day. I probably brush my hair only when I go out. And it's Friday, which means my hair is looking greasy because I only wash my hair on Fridays and Tuesdays. Ah, shit. But it's alright, I was looking a little greasy. A little greasy, never hurt anybody before. Okay. This is as good. You know what? I'm probably, because I know myself, I'm probably going to end up tying my hair up anyways. I should just go ahead and tie it up. Jeez Louise. It's called Musty Bun Hair Day. Musty Bun Hair. Ooh. I don't know. I don't like it. You know why? Because my hair, I'm going to feel, you know when you wear your hair up for like a really long time, it gives you like that headache? Yeah. I'd much rather wear my hair. I'd rather just tie my hair down. Damn. I feel like a lot of hair just fell out. Okay. I can still tie my hair up, but I just probably won't tie it up. And I just won't tie it up. And I'm going to just do that little thing in the back where you push it through. You know? Very Belle inspired hair. I don't like that either. Oh, what is going on with me today? I don't know. Ooh, my hair itchy though. I don't want it up. I don't want it down. I'm just going to clip it. Clip it. Get a black clip. Best clips in the world. You can find them at Sally's. Like, it's magical. It holds your hair. It does everything you need to do, and yeah, it's okay. I'm okay. So I'm going to a baby shower this weekend, and I'm trying to find a gift that she registered for. And what I love about Target is how they have aisle numbers. I need to find it. You know what? I'm actually in the diaper section, and she registered for diapers too. Let's see, Pampers. I know I saw the number 2. Is it 148 diapers? Damn. that's not the only thing I want to get them. There's something else that she wanted on her list, which I have to find again. I was trying to find it. Okay, I got it. It's 04. Ooh, y'all, Marshalls, that store be stressing me out. There is just always so many people in that store, and the line is always really long. So as much as I wanted to film, I was like, let me just get what I need to get and get the hell out. So I'm gonna show y'all what I bought from Marshalls. I'm so proud of myself too, because I really could have overspent, but nope. I said I'm gonna buy this and that's it. The first thing I bought, some beauty blenders. I love these colors, which is why I bought them. I'm not particularly like particular about the beauty blenders that I use. If it's a sponge and it blends, I'm good. And I also bought some cuticle clutter, I guess it's like cuticle nipper right here. I had one that I really loved. Don't know what happened to it. My husband has his, but he really doesn't like me when I use like his stuff, so whatevs. So I bought my own. And then I also bought some pluckers. I like these. You know what sold me? The color. Like, I really like the color. And then last but not least, I bought me a new notebook. Okay, not gonna lie, this wasn't really on my list. But you know when you're in that line at Marshalls or TJ Maxx and they just have all this stuff you can look at and touch. Well, I'm a sucker for notebooks, and actually my intention for this notebook is to write my vlog ideas and groceries list. So this is cute though. I love this color. I don't know, it's, you know what's so weird, y'all? I just now noticed it. Look at everything I bought today and look at the colors that I bought. Is that not silly? Like, everything I bought had a very pastel orangey shade to it. You must think I'm crazy if you think I'm gonna take 2 stops getting stuff out of my car. I am woman, hear me roar. Tonight's dinner is going to be enoki wrapped in beef. I have everything I need, my onion, my dashi powder, my soy sauce. I have never made this before, but I'm hoping it is going to be delicious. I looked at a bunch of recipes on TikTok, so fingers crossed. By the way, is this expensive to y'all? Like $16 for a pound of meat. And this is the, what, top blade shabubi. Am I even saying that right? Y'all remember this thing that I bought from Marshalls? I'm using it. I don't just buy some just to buy some. I wrote the recipe down for the soy sauce mix that I need to make for the beef enoki. This is everything that I need for a classic margarita. I've got my simple syrup, my salt, my lime, white tequila, and orange liqueur. I have never made a classic margarita before. I know I could have easily just bought like a mix at the liquor store, but I don't know, it just won't taste as good. You know, everything tastes better when you make it yourself. Who knows, maybe my husband will even drink with me. Baby, you want to drink with me since it's Cinco de Mayo?
Yeah, get a small one.
I don't know how to make a small one. Oh, and if you didn't know, this brand here, this is Dwayne Johnson, better known as The Rocks. It's his tequila. It's actually pretty good. I don't know about drinking it straight, but I like it. First, I want to, let's see this thing here. All right, first I want to measure everything in my little shaker here. It said, what did I say I needed? Oh, 2 ounces of tequila. Lucky me, I have my own little measuring thing here. So this is 1 ounce and this is ½ an ounce. Am I right? Is that right? Yeah, I think that's right. Oh, is this 2 ounces? Babe, is this 2 ounces or half or 1? Oh, no, my bad. So this is 1½ ounces. And then this is 1 ounce. So 1½ ounce and 1 ounce. So I'm gonna just do. And what did it say? ½ an ounce of orange liqueur. Again, I'm using this. Ooh, let me close this bottle of tequila. This actually smells really good. What else did I need? Some lime. It said, oh, ½ an ounce of simple syrup. Did you know that simple syrup is just sugar and water? So don't be buying that nasty crap from the grocery store. You can just make it yourself. And then lime. Is it ½ an ounce? Oh, it didn't really say how much lime. I'm gonna just use ½ a lime. Here. And I'm just gonna pour it straight in to here. I don't mind a lot of lime anyways. I like things that are sour. Lid on. Don't forget the little topper here. And I'm going to salt my glass. I know this isn't a traditional margarita cup glass, but I did go to the store, to the dollar store, and I was thinking about buying a margarita, like a traditional margarita cup, but I just couldn't find spending $1.25 on a cup that I'm only going to use once, so I'm all good. Please don't spill. Is it even sanitary to dip this in here and double dip? Is it sanitary to do that? Yeah.
Sanitary to do what?
Dip this in salt? Like double dip it?
Double dipping? No.
I'm doing it now.
But you did it already.
Yeah. Ooh, so pretty. Alright, I'm gonna shake my drink. Oh. Alright. Camera. Get every last drop. All right, cheers. Happy Friday. Ooh. I shouldn't have salted the whole rim. Kind of regretting that now. Ooh. Honey, does salt make things taste stronger?
Yes.
Ooh, I think I'm gonna do a one and done. My husband's gonna take a sip.
Dang, why you got so much salt on there?
I don't know. I thought I'd just take it from here. I already licked the salt off.
Ooh.
I know.
Ooh.
I know.
So much tequila.
Honey, I followed the recipe.
What recipe?
It said 2 ounces tequila, half an ounce orange liqueur, half a simple syrup, and then lime.
Where you get this from?
TikTok.
TikTok trying to get you drunk. You get 1 ounce and half an ounce, and that's no. Like tonight we're gonna get buzzed up and type shit, you know? Nah, you don't need that.
Well, maybe I am gonna get fucked up. You know what's funny? My spiritual guide, she was like, you know how to get pregnant? Tequila. Ooh, I'm already feeling it. All right, you guys, I'm ending the vlog here. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I will see you when I see you. Ooh, baby.